Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Nitro cheaply. First, always check for official sales and promotions directly from the source. Many platforms offer discounts during holidays or special events, so keeping an eye on their announcements can save you a significant amount. Also, consider if regional pricing applies, as costs can vary by location. Bundled offers with other services might also provide a better overall deal. Official channels are often the best place to start. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales, like during Black Friday or other major holidays, where discounts on Nitro are common. While Discord itself doesn't offer a direct student discount, some third-party platforms or promotions might provide student-specific deals. Signing up for newsletters can also alert you to exclusive offers you might otherwise miss. Beyond official sales, there are other smart ways to save. Check authorized third-party resellers like Eneba or G2A for potentially cheaper Nitro keys or gift cards. Many large Discord communities and streamers frequently host giveaways where you can win Nitro. Also, keep an eye out for gift card deals from various retailers, which can effectively reduce your cost. To truly maximize your value, understand the different Nitro tiers. Nitro Basic, for example, costs $2.99 per month, while full Nitro is $9.99 monthly, each offering different perks. Consider if sharing a subscription or pooling resources with friends for server boosts makes sense. This can split the cost and benefit everyone. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.